So I'm about to show you something right now, and I want you to like watch this video closely so that you can like mirror these things on your account. So for people that are not familiar with this is a Jumia platform, guys. So some people don't know that you can actually sell your product on Jumia. So this is one of my Jumia store, and recently this store haven't been making sales. So I decided that I want to use adverts so that like a lot of people can see my goals and so that I can make more sales. So that's what advert is for. If you want to make more sales, you run ad. So on Jumia, there are two type of adverts. So the first is like the campaign advert. You see this campaign advert, you can see here, yes, it's see campaign. Let me click on it so that you can see. So every week Jumia do like campaign advert. So this one is for free. As you can see here, yes, it's Jumia anniversary last chance all categories, which means like if you have any products in health, like beauty, like electronics, anything, guys, you can actually lead it, like you can list it under this campaign. And when you list it under this campaign, Jumia will advertise your product for free, guys, without you paying any money. You will not pay any money. So I already joined this campaign already, so I want to show you something. So let me click on join. You can actually do this thing on your phone too, so forget about laptop, you can actually do it on your phone too. So I've added one product already. One of my product, I've added it here. So that's not showing here. But these are not like all these products, most of them, like this one is sold out, this one is sold out. I don't have it yet. This one, like the price is too much. You can see this is my price. So I don't add, like I've actually like off these products, guys. So this one too, like I don't have this, or I don't have this. This one is gold. I only have the silver. So I listed the silver. So I already like applied for the silver already, and my goods is already on like this category. So that's not what I want to tell you, but I just want to tell you that that's one part of adverts, guys. So this one is free. You can actually like join and you won't pay any money. As you can see here, it says registration end date, which is 28th of May. So you need to register this thing like at most by 28th of May. You should have registered, and then they will review your product. Then if your product is qualified, you will know, but your product will mostly qualify, guys. So that's just it. As you can see here, say period 1st of June to 21st of June. So the Jumia campaign will run for 1st of June to 21st of June, and like I said, you won't be paying anything. But I will say this is not as effective as you running like main advert exactly. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video, so you can see. So let me go here. So you can see here pending order 00. I don't have any order, so this is I want to go. So as you can see here, guys, you can see here average rating, customer rating. You can see 5 star, which means like this store has a very good reputation, guys. As you can see here, say 4.75. This is the overall rating. As you can see here, customer rating is 5 star, which means they love the product I'm selling. You can see here shipping speed 4, which is also very good, guys. So that's just one thing I want to show you, that it's not by you having a good store or something. It happens sometimes there will be like low sales. So what you just need to do is you can use adverts to like push your goods, guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. So now you go to this section, whether on your phone or laptop, guys. Just go to this section. You can see here this advertise your products. Click on it. So when you click on it, as you can see here, it says create your first campaign. Just click on it. Like this is the exact way it's going to show on your phone. So don't worry, don't think you don't have a phone or something, like you don't have a laptop. Don't think about that at all, because it is exactly how it's going to look on your phone, guys. So, or you can also set it as like computer view. So when you set it on computer view, you will have exactly this screen, guys. So when you get to this section, you can see here your details will have automatically fill in. Then just click on sign in. So I'm about to sign in, guys. Good. Good, guys. Very good. So good. As you can see here on this account, I've only run this advert once. As you can see, I already run a new one. This one I just like made this one today, guys. You can see here yesterday delivering. So I'm going to get back to this side. Like I'm going to get back to this place, guys. First, let us deal with here. So as you can see here, says live campaign 1, which means the one I just like listed today. even though it's not live yet, but it brings one year. So as you can see here, budget spent 10,500. So that means I've won ad on this account before, 10,500 naira. And as you can see here, sales revenue 25,000. So I won 10,000 ad and I use it to make 25,000 naira on this account, guys. So that's just as you can see here, yes, it's click 198 click, which means like 198 people click on my product like this to check the product. So some people get the product. This ACOS, I don't really know the meaning, but you can just like, let me put it here. You see, advertising cost of sales in e-commerce. You can see here. So that's how much it cost me. So which is just like 42.18%, which is very good, guys. So that's just it. So now what you need to do is that if you want to create a campaign, so as you can see here, this is the previous one that I spent. You can see here budget 11,000, ad spend 10,500. You can see here impression 13,000, which means 13,488 people saw my advert, guys. As you can see here, the click is 198, which is kind of good, like very, very good. You can see here AOC 42%. You can see conversion just five people bought out of this 198. That's why I make like 25,000, because this product cost 25,000 naira, which is kind of good, guys. So that's just the thing about adverts. You will make your money back and you will make profits. So now the main part of the video, now let us jump into it. So just come here and click on create campaign. So when you click on create campaign, you can see here Jumia Nigeria, yes, your store name. So your store name will show. So mine, I blur this out because I don't want you like to see my store name, guys. So that's just it. So you can actually choose manual and automatic. So me, I've worked with manual and I've worked with automatic. So I would say the best for you to choose is go with automatic, guys. As you can even see here, yes, it's AI powered automated campaign. So what automatic does is that the people that have won your type of advert before, so they will just like mirror it and show it to the type of customer that already bought their product. They will show it to your own customer too. So that's just it. I think automatic is the best way. And manual, you will just be like stressing yourself out on some things that are not necessary, guys. So automatic is the best, guys. So when you click on automatic, you see here, yes, it says campaign name. So you can just name in anything, guys. So let's just name it like YouTube testing. YouTube testing. You can see here start date. You can just click on maybe May 20th. You can see here May 20th. End date. You can set an end date to it. So let's just click on, let's say on the 31st of May. So that will be the end date, which means like the day the advert will stop running. So you see this daily budget type. Me, because the type of the product I sell, guys, you can set the lifetime and daily. But me, I love to set daily, guys. I love to set daily, which means like if I set, let's just say 200 naira for daily adverts. So if Jumia have spent 200 naira, they will not spend any more money. Like they will stop showing that ad for the day. They will continue showing the ad from tomorrow. So that's what I love to do. I love to set daily ad, guys, because if you set a lifetime, so let's say this lifetime you put 20,000 naira here. So you see this 20,000 naira that you put here, Jumia can spend everything finished within 3 days. So I don't want to, it's not idea at all. Don't set lifetime, always set daily. So on daily, the best amount you should use as a start is 1,000. As you can see, yes, say 1,000. It is 1,000 naira. Yes, don't go over this. Just go on 1,000 naira. Actually, it depends on the product you are selling though. But I would say you should first try is 1,000 naira. If your product is kind of expensive, let's say you are selling a product of like 30,000, 50,000, set your daily budget to 1,000. Then after like 3 days, so the adverts will have gathered some momentum and everything. Then you can now increase it to like maybe 2,000 if your product is expensive. But if your product is not expensive, just leave it as 1,000. You don't need to worry at all. So as you can see here, 1,000. So the next thing now is you will click on create. Good. You can see here campaign created. So that's just it, guys. So when you get to this section, you have literally done. So they will just review everything, guys, and that's just it. You already have your campaign set. So I'm sure now by on the, I think we said 20th, guys. So by on the 20th, your money will start spending and you'll be seeing everything here. The impression, the sales, the budget spent, and everything. So I think this is the best type of adverts we run on Jumia, guys. If you want to like scale up and see changes, guys, this is the best. Yeah, actually the free version is actually good. It is good. In fact, I advise people to like always join like free adverts campaign. Always join, guys. But if you want to see like good changes, you want to see the real changes, this is the best thing. So this is just like a Google ad or anything, but I think Jumia is the best when when it comes to like you advertising your Jumia products. It is better if you spend money on Jumia. So that's just it, guys. So if you have any part of this video that you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section like always, guys, and I will respond to you. So thank you for watching another educative video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you have learned something valuable in this class, guys, and I'll see you next time.